See this symbol, the first one is cylinder. So there are two types of cylinders. One is single acting cylinder and the second one is double acting cylinder. In the single acting cylinder, you are applying the air and this will extend and then the return will be happen automatically. You need not to give any air for the return stroke. Okay, for the return stroke you need not to apply any air. Automatically it will happen because of spring. So you can push that against the spring stiffness, then it will extend. If you release the air, then it will come back. But in double acting cylinder, you have to apply the air for the forward direction for here, this side, left side. You are going to apply some amount of the air, automatically the forward stroke will be achieved. If you want to achieve the reverse stroke, what you have to do, you have to apply the air in the right side. Okay? The right side you have to apply to get back. So these are all two types of cylinders. One is the single acting cylinder, then another one is double acting cylinder. Variety of cylinders available in the market, but normally we are using the single acting cylinder and double acting cylinder widely in the industry applications. Okay? Then this one, the 3x2 wave valve and 5x2 wave valve, I will explain after explaining this. The shuttle valve, this is for OR gate. OR gate function. What is the OR gate function? What is the OR gate function? OR gate function, if there is any one input, it will give output. 0, 0 means it will be 0, 0, 1 means it will be 1, 1, 0 means it will be 1, then 1, 1 means it will be 1. So this is the OR gate function you studied in the electronic principles, correct? Yes. Electronic principles you already studied. This is the OR gate principle. The same principle, the same logic you can do by using some valves. See that? There is a two inputs, X and Y. When you are going to give air, either this side or this side, you will get out. Okay? Understand? Understand or not?
Yes.
So the OR gate shuttle valve means you have to give one input, at least one input. Even both the input, no problem, the ball will come down, so there will be a small hole, the ball will come and stay in the center point. Then after that, the air will go in the output. Okay? See that this is the output line, the A is mentioned as output. This is X and Y, it is input. When you are going to give input in X, either X or Y, you will get output. The dual pressure valve, it is AND gate. What is the mean by AND gate? You need both the inputs. Either 0, 0, it is 0.
At the same time.
0, 1 means 0. 1, 0 means it is 0. 1, 1 means it is 1. Only one time it will come. So if both the inputs are required to get output. See that 1, 1. If you are giving X and Y, both the input if you are giving, then only the output path will open, you will get output from the AND gate. Understand? The AND gate, the OR gate, so you must know the difference between AND gate and OR gate.
Yes.
AND gate means it is a dual pressure valve. OR gate means it is a shuttle valve. OR gate you can apply one input, but in AND gate you have to apply two inputs to get out. So this is the logic behind the shuttle valve and dual pressure valve. Okay? See that you must know that there is a flow control valve. There is a flow control valve. Can I erase this? No. So there is a flow control valve. What is the purpose of flow control valve? What is the purpose of flow control valve? See that in the cylinder you are going to give the whole amount of the pressure in the cylinder, means it will go very fast. You want to have a controlled motion in the cylinder. Okay, you want to have a controlled motion of the piston, then you have to use flow control valve. Okay, before the air is flowing, you have to use the flow control valve. This is the flow control valve symbol. This is the flow control valve symbol. This is the one-way flow control valve. We can say this is the one-way flow control valve symbol. This is called one-way flow control valve. There is a chance of two-way also. This is one-way flow control valve. Always, this one we are using before the cylinder. Before the air entered into the cylinder, we are using this kind of flow control valve. Okay? Or otherwise, when you are going to release the air, if it is happening immediately, you want to release the air in a controlled way, means you can use the flow control valve. Normally, quick return only we are using, but suppose if you want to have the controlled motion in the backward direction, we can use it the flow control valve. Either forward direction or backward direction, for both the purpose we can use it the flow control valve. So flow control valve, when you are going to add the flow control valve, see that there is a double acting cylinder. If you are going to add this, when you are going to apply the air here, this one will go slowly. Okay, so controlled manner you can push. See that in what is that? Some press. Suppose if you want to compress some food raw material or something rubber material, if you want to push, so that time you need this motion in a slowly. Okay, in a slow manner you need. So that time you have to go for the flow control valve. So this is called flow control valve. See that? I know flow control valve. I know dual pressure valve. I know shuttle valve. I know cylinder. And then the time delay valve and the pressure sequence valve I don't know. And then what is 3/2 way valve and 5/2 way valve I don't know. Correct? Correct. So you may think like that. I don't know this, and then these are all I know very well now. Now I am going to explain the 3/2 way valve and 5/2 way valve, which is very, very, very important in every pneumatic circuit. Okay? The 3/2 way valve, you can use it as a valve, you can use it as a switch, you can use it as a roller valve to identify the extension of the cylinder, you can use it as a pressure sequence valve, you can use it as a time delay valve. For all the valve, it is born from 3/2 way valve or 5/2 way valve. Understand? So 3/2 way valve, you must understand what is the concept behind the 3/2 way valve. Maybe SPD students, some of the SPD students, you didn't attend these classes, so definitely it will be useful, so please concentrate. Okay? So 3/2 way valve, first I am going to. The 3/2, why 3/2 way valve? So 3 is for holes. Holes means ports, port, P-O-R-T, ports. 3 for port and 2 for position. The 3/2 meaning is, the 3/2 meaning, understand? 3/2 meaning. See the 3/2 valve. But this is not 3/2 valve, first I will explain and then I will add some more thing. 3/2 valve. The meaning of 3. What is the meaning of 3? What is the meaning of 3? Why are you always speaking? You are understanding or some other person you are speaking?
3 also.
Huh? Okay, please tell what is mean by 3. What is mean by 3?
1 number.
3 means what? Port. 3 ports will be there at the 3/2 valve. Port. 3 port. Okay, this 2 is what? This 2. Meaning of 2. Meaning of 2. Huh? 2 position. 2 position. There will be a 2 position and there will be 2 port. 3 port. See there. This is a rectangle. Then how to make the symbol? Symbol of 3/2 valve. The first one, you have to give importance to this 2 position. What is in the denominator? The denominator is 2. The meaning is 2 position. In the symbol, you have to divide into this one. You have to divide it. See that this is saying 1 position. This is saying another position. This also.